Bar Set Drink Mixer Set. The Kite Sensu Cocktail Shaker Set stands out as an essential tool for both seasoned bartenders and cocktail enthusiasts alike. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this set is not only visually appealing with its sleek silver finish, but also durable enough to withstand daily use. Measuring 11.6 by 4 inches and weighing 2.55 pounds, it strikes a perfect balance between robustness and manageability. This kit includes a generous 25 aughts per 750 ml martini shaker, which allows for ample mixing space. Accompanied by 9 other essential components, such as a Hawthorne strainer, mixing spoon, double-sided jigger, and a mojito muddler, this set caters to a variety of cocktail preparations. The precision of the double-sided jigger ensures that measuring out ingredients is both easy and accurate, while the muddler facilitates the perfect extraction of flavors from herbs and fruits. User feedback further emphasizes the reliability and convenience of this cocktail shaker set, boasting an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on over 4,400 ratings. This level of customer satisfaction highlights its effectiveness and quality as a bartending tool. Additionally, its ranking as the #1 barware toolset clearly indicates a wide acceptance and preference among consumers in the cooking and dining category.